I think it lends itself really well to like a go to the theater cinematic experience. You know, it takes you to other worlds. It takes you to places you can't go in your life. But I think what's so special about this is it's a different kind of sci-fi. It's not a kind of cold, bleak, um, vision of the future. It's quite funny, warm. It's very emotional, and it has this sort of sense of that maybe the future isn't something to fear, but just to be figured out. So I think it's sci-fi, but it's unique. Just like yeah, it's like a part in a film of a lifetime, really. You know, you go to another galaxy, you make an alien best friend, you save the stars. What else could you want? I mean, you can't believe that you're going to cry at the end of this movie over a faceless rock alien, but you do. You know, it's the magic trick of the movie. It's he's a beautiful character. It's a beautiful relationship, and I think the fans of the book were so fiercely protective over how we realized Rocky because he means so much to so many people. So it was a challenge, but it was worth it, and I think we did it. And I can't wait for people to meet him.